E equals MC squared, and we divide that by pi, we get what? Does anyone know? Is anyone even listening to me?
No.
You know what? I did not go through 4 years of schooling for this. I quit. Do whatever you want, but whatever you do, don't push that button.
Yay, she's gone. What should we do? Let's watch Wildcats all day and eat chips. Do you want to color? Or you could push the button. No, I'd rather do karate. Should we dance on the table? I think I heard somebody say we should push the button. We could order the biggest pizza. Plant-based pepperoni. Ew. That's disgusting. Not push the button! We can all go home. We could go crazy. What if we push the button? Yeah! Why didn't I think about that? Oh, come on! I'll do it. I knew we shouldn't push the button.